Okay, Quiz Falconers, ready for the ultimate animal emoji challenge. Can you guess these animals by just their emojis? 80% of people fail this quiz. Will you be in the top 20%? Think fast. We've got cute pets, wild beasts, and maybe even a mythical creature. Let's go! What's this small pet called? Right, it's a hamster. What's this slow-moving animal? Right, it's a snail. Do you recognize this animal? Yes, that's a dolphin. Can you name this creature? Correct, it's a donkey. What do you think this is? That's right, it's a deer. Guess this big animal. Exactly, it's an elephant. Do you know this dog breed? Yes, that's a bulldog. Can you guess the animal by emoji? Great start. It's a jellyfish. Can you identify this wild animal? Correct. It's a bison. What's this burrowing animal? Yes, that's a badger. Do you know this aquatic creature? Exactly, it's a catfish. What's this tiny ocean animal? Perfect, it's a seahorse. Guess the largest animal. Yes, that's a blue whale. Do you recognize this insect? Correct. It's a cricket. What's this long-nosed animal? Right. It's an anteater. Can you name this larva? Yes, it's a caterpillar. Guess this playful animal. Exactly, it's a monkey. What's this underground creature? Correct, it's an earthworm. Do you know this flying mammal? Yes, that's a bat. What about this one? Perfect, it's a butterfly. Can you name this herding dog? Perfect, it's a sheepdog. What's this graceful bird? Yes, that's a swan. Guess this big cat. Exactly, it's a tiger. Do you know this famous fish? Clownfish. What's this strong animal? Correct, it's a bear. Can you name this tree climber? Yes, it's a squirrel. Guess this hopping animal. Right, it's a kangaroo. What's this colorful bird? Perfect, it's a peacock. Do you know this bamboo lover? Yes, that's a panda. What's this sea creature? Correct, it's a starfish. Guess this horned animal? Exactly, it's a rhino. What's this wild canine? Yes, that's a wolf. Do you know this bird of prey? Right, it's an eagle. Guess this orange primate. Correct, it's an orangutan. What's this common pet fish? Yes, that's a goldfish. Quiz over. Did you beat the 80% fail rate or join the struggle bus? Comment your score below and subscribe for more fun.